We start with a group discussion now. The manner of group discussion, there will be two group discussions given to you, GD1 and GD2. The procedure in GD1 is going to be that he'll give you 4 topics. In some boards they give you 3, out of which you have to select one of the topics. Once you have selected that topic will be thrown to you, to the group, for discussion for 15 to 20 minutes. This 20 minutes discussion is not very rigid. It can fluctuate depending upon the manner of discussion, the progress of discussion, and the level it could be shortened or it could be extended based on the situation that time by the GT. Once this GT1 is over, he'll give you a little break, and thereafter he'll give you GD2. Now in group discussion 2, the manner that he says, well gentlemen, you have had your choice, now it's my turn to give you my choice. Then he gives you the topic of his choice, which is based on the level that he has evaluated from GD1 as to which level the group is, and accordingly he gives you the topic for group discussion 2. For this also he gives you 15 to 20 minutes, and thereafter your GTO task number 1, that is group discussion, is over. So gentlemen, we start with a group discussion for our practice. Now the group discussion topic for GD1 is, which you already have chosen, is dowry system prevalent in India and measures that you recommend to eradicate, to reduce for a successful system of marriage in India. Is the topic clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now, when it starts, I'll ring the bell. It will be on, and the tips for the group discussion I'll give you after your GD1 is over. Okay? Are you ready now?
Yes, sir.
आप भी बन सकते हैं हिस्सा भारत के रक्षा क्षेत्र में हमारी ऐतिहासिक कामयाबी की दास्तां का। क्या आप भी बनना चाहते हैं अधिकारी भारतीय सेना में? अगर हाँ, आज ही ज्वाइन करें सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी और ले इंडिविजुअल एंड पर्सनलाइज्ड गाइडेंस इंडिया के एलाइट एसएसबी पैनल से।
If a young man puts a condition of dowry for his marriage, he discredits his education, his moral values, as well as his country. Dowry or dahej is considered as a social evil that still persists in our society. Though the modern person criticizes it, but it is still persisting in our society.
Friends, talking about the scenario of India, as in India, dowry is a very common thing, and during the marriages, it is a kind of gift or a pre-demand from the side of bride's family. It is not supposed to be up to a single religion, but also it is also in Hindu it is known as dahej, and in Muslim it is known as meher.
Yes, sir. I would like to say that in 2009,
basically the parents of the boy is demanding for the bride, or you can say dowry, to the parents of the girls to get married their boy with that girl.
Yes, gentlemen, I agree with you, but let's talk about how to eradicate the dowry system.
The government has initiated a
to make own child, parents can make his child as much capable that he did not needs
As per the
any kind of dowry
Provision Act of
Gentlemen,
1990,
according to
the dowry has been
2019, according to
So
2019 National Bureau Crime Record, we have seen that there were 52 dowry deaths in India, that also in 2019, as compared to 48
Yeah,
deaths in
Dowry
2019.
is
So it is very
a
developed
area.
that is for
But
sure.
unfortunately, the educated persons are also demanding a dowry. If any person is want a IIT or IIM son-in-law, so he have to pay a lot of lakhs of the rupees as a dowry.
It is our responsibility to correct the effect of dowry. As per the Act of 1961 Act 28, it is being named as an illegal process, but still it has been continued. As we all know that in rural areas mainly it has been continued
Gentlemen,
because
Mr.
urban areas are
about
very
the
developed.
possible situation that leads to the dowry. First of all, greed, patriarchal society pressure, as well as their other circumstances.
Regarding to the dowry system, the conditions sometimes become so severe that
Yes.
lead to suicides also. So
Yes, yes.
this dowry system is also leading to increase in the domestic violence.
Actually, cause of this dowry is that
Exporting
women
the
are
society.
illiterate. They are not properly trained that what should be done after marriage.
Not
and
only
before
women are
marriage.
illiterate, it is actually a problem of our society. They think
Yeah,
about
exactly.
that old custom
Actually,
because they
we
are
have seen
following
that
that trend that
also
if the
take
marriage
the
is going on, the a girl's party means a girl's family,
Yes,
you have to give a
If the groom family do not give them a dowry, so what they do, they simply kill or give them divorce, burn them alive. So these kind of
so that's the mentality which we have to change.
This is completely all about man-dominated society in India.
Actually, how can, if you talk about eradication of the dowry system, then we need to focus more about the woman empowerment.
Regarding
gender
eradication,
equality.
Regarding eradication, the government has implemented a lot of laws against the dowry system, like the prohibition of
Dowry Act 96.
Dowry Act
But still there are many
Regarding the point of eradication of the domestic violence as well as dowry system, first of all, the educated youth of our society need to convince parents as well as they
we can also
individually
identify that-
try to maintain
that for
a
removing
mentality so
dowry
that they
system,
cannot
it is-
demand dowry system.
I am agree with you, gentlemen, just
I do agree.
75, but it can be stopped also by providing a better knowledge or equality.
Yes, we will take the help of the NGO. They can move
NGO.
towards the different part of the India, like the rural background and sometimes in the urban area. They can spread the awareness about the dowry system and educate. We should also become more aware and educate our girls, and we should also take
To abolish the dowry system, government is also trying through various kind of acts. Government has introduced the Act of Protection of Women from Domestic Violence in 2005 that leads to a certain amount of fine as well as punishment to those who are found in a possession of.
We can also include women empowerment because
in India by the educating girls child in our society.
One point I
Maybe
want
you
to add
have
to
to-
chest number 74 is that government has provided provision that any case of death or violence between the 7 years of marriage is considered under the dowry. So in my opinion, the girl should be made empowered so as to take their rights, and also we should educate
I
them.
agree with you.
Actually,
A better education is the best dowry that
Exactly.
parents can provide to their girl child.
essential for
And also the family side of the girl should take the initiative in any case of a dowry related.
We all know that in the rural areas, girls are not allowed by the family members to take the proper education, because of which this leads the
Dowry. This is not
Regarding the dowry cases, most of times we have evident that the girl is not supported by her own family because of various kind of opinions in this male-dominated society. That leads to
parents
various kind
are
of crimes.
encouraging the girls child in Bihar, government gives but to eradicate the dowry, once we start from individual. If every person start getting dowry and start teaching
See, actually, due to lack of poverty from girl side, it is creating family pressure. So
Yeah.
yes, we should try to
In rural areas of India, girl is
Right.
supposed in rural areas of India, girl is supposed to be a financial burden, like a marriage is going to happen.
This
and
is
they
only
need
due
to
to the
have-
poor mentality of our people. And we
We
can take
do-
a great example
we
of
want to
foreigners that in foreign countries that people have good mentality because they have been provided a good education.
Government
So I
is
think
also
education
trying to
is a-
reduce this financial burden on the parents by various kind of programs. For example, we have Sukanya program through which the girl is getting a amount on the spot for the marriage.
I agree with the just number 75. We find that because of the high dowry payment, because of it, lots of parents kill their girl child after taking the birth because of the dowry system.
So basically, UN has come up with a set of goals like Sustainable Development Goals, which deals about a proper making a proper world a proper place. So in fourth law, it discusses about the equal education given to girls and boys. So something means it's a responsibility of our society to treat every girls and equally, so that while marriage, if a girls is equal or means doing a profession equal to the means equal of high level, that time the groom party will not be able to ask the dowry or that process.
One point I want to add to chest number 73 is that we should not only educate our girls to get them their rights, but also educate our boys so as to not to sell them at the market as we do.
I do agree with that. They are only treatment for the illegal activities that providing.
In India, many girls are.
It is a time of education, and most of the educated youths are also indulged in it. So in India there is a need to be provided of better moral values to those educated youths, so that this problem can be eradicated.
In my opinion, moral values are so much important because moral values also grooms a very good personality in a person. So if a person
Yes, I agree with chest number 71. It's our family duty to teach the moral values to our sons, like boys and girls as well. After that, we will eradicate the dowry system from our society.
Yeah, I would like to add something. The parents should think our society mentality go like that. They make their children and use such type they did not need to any kind of dowry.
Actually, according to me, I think that dowry education should be treated and should be told in school itself. Yes.
I agree with chest number 78, but I want to say that not only education that is important, because many literate as well as educated people take dowry. So it is a problem of moral and ethical values.
And moral values will also solve the many other problems also should be
Dowry
taken
system can
care of.
also eradicate by the proper representation of women in the state legislature and the central legislature.
Government has already taken a step like as per the Act of 28. If somebody is
Time is over now. Now, as I said, I'll give you the tips for a successful group discussion. Point number 1, you should have the meat. That means you should have the awareness and the knowledge about the subject that is being discussed. Number 1. Number 2, you should have manner of presentation logically. You should be able to convince your group members as to what you are saying has a logic, has a reasoning, and that is why it should be accepted. Remember, we are giving our views and we are not getting into any kind of argument. Thereafter, your body language. You shouldn't be moving too much, or you shouldn't be sitting like a dead person. You should be comfortable and in the normal posture. While speaking it out, you should be looking into the eyes of your group members and not to any other spectator, including the GTO. You should be within the group. Remember always, it's a group activity and exchange of your ideas. Then your speaking mannerism, that is how fluent you are. At this juncture, I would like to tell you that sometimes you may falter with a proper word in the English. So don't hesitate, speak in Hindi and switch back to English as early as possible. And why I say switch over to English? Because that is the language which is commonly understood by most of us in India. Okay?
yes, sir.
These are the tips that you should keep in mind. And for getting the subject awareness, please prepare all the current topic subjects, both nationally level, international level, in the last 6 months. And the best method to prepare is take up 5 subjects, 4 subjects, prepare it every day, so that by the time you go to SSB, you are fully prepared with all the subjects. Any other doubts that you want to ask me?
No, sir.
Thank you.
अगर आपने सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी के YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशंस आपके पास में सबसे पहले पहुंचे।